Airstream was founded in 1931 in Southern California, but our founder, Wally Byam, he really started building travel trailers in the late 1920s. In 1931, he calls his company Airstream, says he wants the trailers to flow down the highway like a stream of air. In the early 1950s, Wally and his friend Cornelius Vanderbilt went with a trailer to Chicago for the political conventions that year. He was showing his trailers off. And after that, they took a road trip down through the Midwest. They heard about a factory that had been building bazookas for the war, and Wally ended up buying that property, establishing an eastern distribution point here in Jackson Center, Ohio. What he found here in West Central Ohio was a manufacturing powerhouse. To pull that workforce in, this is a highly specialized product that we build by hand. It's not a conveyor belt moving down a production line with robots that are putting bolts on things. This is a human-built product. Airstream has succeeded here in West Central Ohio for the last 70 years because we have such access to a skilled workforce to help us build these things by hand. In 2018, we broke ground on this new 725,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Jackson Center, Ohio. This new facility in Jackson Center allowed us to expand our factory tours. We have this heritage center where you can come and you can step back through time and see the long history of what's been done here in Jackson Center and the history of Wally Byam, who founded this company in 1931. Airstream is proud of our heritage here in America and here in Ohio, and we are excited to celebrate 95 years of history right alongside the 250th anniversary of the United States.